It's finally here. My Aston Family Developer Limited Edition Element microphone featuring their new Ridian capsule technology. It's here. I had the pleasure over the summer of being part of the developing team for this, as about 3,000 other people were. It doesn't make me all that special. I got to listen to samples and help them decide how to voice this microphone. So I've been looking very forward to getting it. I pre-ordered it back in July, and so here it is. We're going to go ahead and get her out of the box and check her out today. And then in the next few days, I'll be publishing a review of this microphone. So let's get it out of the box and check it out. Here it is, the moment I have been waiting for 6 months now. You can see the picture of the Aston on the front, some of the cool stuff it comes with. Let's see here, free shock mount, free pop shield, LED logo, power indicator, free 10-year warranty. Very nice. All right, well, let's open the box up and check her out. On the inside of the box, we got here I am, your new baby. Oh, baby. All right. Looks like a couple of letters. Official Aston Family Developer. And looks like a letter from the Aston Microphone CEO. Very nice. And telling you that you can go online to check out the manual. Doing our little bit. All right. Here we go. The big reveal. Nope, it's more stuff. We got buttons. I am a Aston Family Developer. Very nice. And stickers. Lots of stickers. Wow, very cool. I don't know what I'm going to do with 6 stickers, but that's very cool. I don't know, maybe put one on both of my vehicles or something. I'm sure my wife would love that. All right, here we go. You can check out. You can see it actually shows you what everything is. So let's start with the mic. Ooh. There she is. Very, very nice. Check her out. There's that LED logo that they're talking about on the front. It's got little spots here on the sides to hold the shock mount on. And then on the bottom, there's the XLR connection. If you've owned other Aston mics, it does not have the place to mount it on a stand on the bottom there. It's actually the separate shock mount for that. Speaking of which, let's get this guy out of the box here. Here's the shock mount. With a little bit of spring in its step there. Let's go ahead and clip it on. Get the little tabs to line up there so it... Oh, and it clicks in. Very nice. Yeah, that feels nice and secure. Very nice. Okay. And then the last thing is the pop shield, the pop filter. Very cool. The Aston logo with that rainbow effect. Very nice. Very nice. And then that actually just clicks right on the front with a magnet. Very nice. And then if you don't want to use the pop shield, but you don't want to lose it, you can turn it upside down like that. Very cool. Awesome. And that's it. There's my new Aston Element. Thanks for checking out this unboxing video for my new Aston Element. I am super excited to get this thing plugged in and compare it to another mic that I own at the exact same price point, the AKG P420. This has been my go-to vocal mic for over a year now, so I'll be curious to see how they stack up together at the same price point. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel for the review video, the in-depth review video I'll be having coming out of the Aston Element, coming your way soon. In the meantime, if you're interested in learning more about setting up your home studio, check out the link in the description where I have a free guide just for you. So thanks for watching. Have a great day in your home studio today.